This is my well pressure tank, and this is me adding more pressure to it. Stick around and I'll show you how to check and adjust your pressure tank. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, before you check and adjust your tank, you must turn off the well pump or it helps to turn off the valve at the well pump as well. Next, release the pressure in your pressure tank in order to get an accurate reading by opening the valve on the bottom of the tank. The location where you check the air pressure of the tank is right here on the top. You remove the cap. Mine was stuck, so I had to use some channel locks, but typically you can remove it by hand. Under the cap, you will find a standard air valve similar to your tires. Ideally, it's good to use a dial pressure gauge or a digital one for accuracy, but I'll be using a standard tire gauge, which works as well when you're in a pinch. Then place the tire gauge on the air valve and check the pressure. Mine shows to be around 28 psi. I recently replaced my pressure switch, so I'm going to need to adjust it to 38 psi. Next, I plugged in my air hose and slowly added pressure into the air valve. Then I would periodically check the pressure and add more. Once I reached 38 psi, I was done. Go ahead and hand tighten the cap back on to the air valve. Next, turn on the well pump and watch your pressure build up. You can also drain the pressure tank to see at which pressure the pressure switch will kick off. The pressure tank should be 2 psi less than the pressure switch set points. In my case, I set my pressure tank at 38 psi and the switch trips at 40 psi. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.